No, I've been very clear that we have given the instructions to stop any further process to happen. But the processes that happened before that order was given, those processes are there. Hence, the decisions that we had taken and the communication we had made to everybody was we are not going to move any further than where we are. But before this debate started and before we had met the NGOs and the church leaders, certain processes had already taken place. And those are the processes that were mentioned in the House that day. That happened to be 3 provisional licenses. Provisional means it's a temporary license. That was given on the condition that within 6 months or 8 months the operations have to start. And hence we have put a stop to everything after the discussions we had with the church leaders and with the NGOs. So we have not misguided anybody. I just want to make that clear. And those provisional licenses are automatically going to lapse after certain time is gone. Hence, we have made it very clear to them also. I had multiple discussions with them that whatever decision we take in the future, we will do it after extensive consultation and engagement with the people, whether it's a church or whether it's the organizations or the public in general. So it's very clear, it remains as it was. And of course, they think that this is happening after the discussion, but these were things that happened way ahead and way before we moved forward. And the fact that these licenses, as I said, are provisional licenses which were given before we had those meetings and discussions, these will lapse within a matter of 6 months or 8 months. And hence my stand, which I had given a commitment that we will not move forward in any way until unless we have engagement, still stands, and there is no question of misguiding or giving misinformation to anybody.